Model 69-plate Vauxhall VIVARO L2 diesel 44322 2900 1.5d 100PS Sportive H1 van body, white, panel van mileage, 57,309 engine, 1,499 cc DV5R UCD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Needs injector number 1 replacing. Gearbox and clutch is all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air con, cruise control EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £14,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.